Well, welcome back to another video. Um, we are back on the HP Pavilion dv4. In the last video, we attempted to upgrade the hard drive, which I put those away apparently, and we're trying to load this on it. This is the Windows Vista Anytime upgrade, but apparently it's a 32-bit version. I didn't know, and this is a 64-bit system. Quick update on my cousin's computer. It seems to be performing fine. The only complaint that I have with it is Roller Coaster Tycoon won't work on it. No, it works, but the screen, I mentioned in other videos, the screen's only like the Windows only like maybe that by that maybe. Back on this. Last video we tried a 1 terabyte to install Vista, which failed, so I put a 500 in it and failed. So I went ahead and we put the original back in it, and had issues getting drivers. We were using this to get drivers off of this, and apparently I've done some research on the model number that I put in. Well, there's more to it besides that. The model I was putting that was coming up for it on HP's site is for an AMD version. This is the Intel version, and they don't have the Intel video card drivers on that model. So that model did not come with Intel, and this one's an Intel. And when I type the model number, a whole model number in, it comes up that it's saying that doesn't exist, or they apparently can't find it. And we googled it on this, and same thing, it wants to take me to that certain model. So besides that, let's go ahead and fire it up. I did change the operating system since I had the external out, and the drive is still bad, but we ended up putting Windows 7 on it. It's not activated. It's been more than 3 days, but it hasn't been 30 days yet. I really wanted Vista. I may end up going back to Windows 10. I mean, it could be a good computer with Windows 10 and a solid state drive. It's the last of the Quarter 2 duos before this came out. The i3 battery did go down a little bit. Apparently the video and sound and all the drivers I really need are all installed for this. We still got the original hard drive. It's actually the fastest one out of the whole bunch that I have. Still showing 4 gigs of RAM. I would like to make this 8, but I don't have the right amount of memory. Let's see. And then the other issue is the product activation. It's just 0 days. We'll try to go. We got 27 days left until you get locked out of it. We'll try it. I just don't. I think the servers for this, it can't connect to it, or Microsoft did away with it. We are filming this video with the Samsung A32. The Samsung Galaxy S9 might be going away. I'm trying to get another phone. So this is what I get. And then, of course, any other way would be to use the automated phone service if I go that route, which I'm thinking about using that Windows 7 product key for this, and this will be stuck Windows 7, because I can't figure out how to get, I got Windows 7, but it needs to be converted into another file format. Then I can use Rufus to make a flash drive, but I don't remember how to copy it, and it's been so long since I had the same Windows 7 flash drive I didn't make it. I think I was, let's see, 5, 6, 7, maybe 7.5, maybe 8 years ago, maybe. So, and then the reason why I was going with Vista, because this came with Vista, apparently. This is the last of the Vista computers. I'm surprised it's a Vista key. It's the last of Vista before 7, until they got rid of it and everything was going to 7. So technically, this is Windows 7 compatible. I could do 8, but I don't have product keys for 8. Didn't come with 8, so I can't go that route. I can do 710 because I can convert it from one of my previous computers I don't have anymore to activate it. I guess comment down below what I should do with it. It might get scrapped at some point. I don't know, it might go into my archives vintage computer collection, since it's got a good battery. But it's apparently it's eventually going to need a hard drive install, as you can see in my last video. As you see in my last video, it was failing because we installed disk info, crystal disk, and that's showing the hard drive is bad. We'll show you crystal disk for those that are just tuning in and didn't see the last video. Whenever it comes up, say this is crystal disk. My Samsung Evo's at 98%. I don't understand. I bought this hard drive new. I'm pretty sure I bought this one new. But this is crystal disk. It tells you all the health and everything. There's gonna probably be a video on that 360 or a Xbox 360. We got one of those coming up. So I don't know. Should I activate it? I mean, I got 27 days to make up my mind in doing it. I may do it and make this my Windows 7 computer. So I don't think I have any Windows 7 laptops. The other reason why I built this is so that way I can play my roller coaster game. I mean, I have another computer in mind, but I'm not mentioning nothing about it because I don't have any videos on it yet. That's going to be in the future. We got one other laptop video we need to do. I'll have to probably reinstall XP because, yeah, it acts funny. It's not activated apparently. Had to get the model number and go on the archives website to see if I can find the original operating system, or pull out my Toshiba gaming computer I don't use very often and make a Windows 7 flash drive. Nope, can't do that, it's too old. I'd have to make a Windows XP CD, or load Windows XP Professional and activate it. I have to call it activate it using, I could do that, product key that's on it. we could do that. I think it's got a good battery in it. My old Toshiba doesn't play those newer games that well. So I guess that's going to be this week's project video. I'm low on content. We do got videos down there in my YouTube folder to upload. This is my main computer. But yeah, comment down below what operating systems you would like to see in the future. I don't want to play with Microsoft Bob, which I haven't found a machine that would accept it. That Pentium, that compact that I mentioned earlier might be able to do it. I want to mess with that. Got the Packard Bell with 3.1 now. Packard Bell will play my roller coaster game, I think. Or do you have to have XP to run Roller Coaster Tycoon? I think the Packard Bell will. I don't think it has any disk space left on it. Guess we ought to shut that down. I think I will go ahead and activate Windows on this. And then we'll save that product key for Vista for something else. Because apparently this isn't the computer for that. Got ye old chili in the crock pot for dinner tonight. Oh, really wanted Vista. That's the other thing. I guess we'll get on the. Let's see. Close that and go to Google. Of course, I would do that. Apparently, I was uploading a video this morning. Today's a Monday, actually. When? See, this is the one that's coming up for it, and this is this one. When this is a 1435 DX version. This is a 2045, and see, Windows 7 is the only one that it supports. And so we hit submit, and there's that recall graphics. AMD. There's nothing but Intel. Just AMD. That's the other. That's the reason why I didn't change my mind with Vista. One focus. Yeah, that's the model's different, and like to say, I did type it in. Let's see, I think I did. $14.35. 14.35. Oh, now it comes up. I don't remember that ever coming up. See, and then this comes up. See, this comes up that it's a dual core duo. But if you go to do this, yeah, we got to take turns with the hand here. Go to laptop. You get this. There's 124 to go through, and None of them are even close. Well, this one sort of. It's a DB series. That's the only DB series that it's listed under that. And I had one sort of like this. Well, this one shows Vista. Well, I think that's the driver right there for it. I think I might stick with 7. Well, there you go. There's this week's project video is another update on this thing here. So I think here we'll eventually call Microsoft and activate Windows. I guess we'll fire it back up here, and I'll show you the drivers that are missing real quick. One of the drivers might be for this. For the SD card, which we probably won't need. I did go through my driver's flash drive, which is full. None of the drivers are on it. See, these are all that are missing. I'd have to eventually go find. Well, that's it for this video, so thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one, because I can always use a thought, plus, other reason why this one might get scrapped is some point is so that I can get other, laptops in, do more content, So thank you for watching.